have the motor vessel Cemcommander. It's a cement carrier which was delivered from a Chinese shipyard, Zhenjiang Shipyard, January this year, and it was prepared with the foundation for a Norsepower Rotor Sail. So that's what you see here. This tall white tower is a Norsepower Rotor Sail. It's a mechanical sail. It creates wind propulsion to the ship to save energy from the main propulsion system. It's 24 meter high, 4 meter in diameter, and it has been ordered by the ship owner Baltrader directly from Norsepower. The idea is 100 years old. It has been invented by German inventor Anton Flettner. At that time they had installed them on 2 ships which were just made as test vessels. Now, since 2020, shipping industry is ready to ask for additional propulsion from wind. The installation itself is not very complicated. The assembly is of course a little bit tricky. We need to bring a lot of parts from different places of Europe to this site and install everything and assemble everything. But the installation on the ship is not a complicated process. Basically, you put the rotor sail on top of the ship and fix it with some bolts, and then you have to install the control system and connect everything, upload the software, and that's it. For this ship, we have designed the rotor sail to save up to 14% of fuel. Of course, it depends on the route, on the wind conditions, on the everyday conditions, but the average will be 10 to 14% for this ship. So this is actually 10 to 14% fuel saved and also CO2 emissions saved for the ship. The ship owner Baltrader made a Europe-wide tender for the shipping, for the installation of the rotor sail. And NAUTA made the best offer. And we have been here with NAUTA. We have also made an agreement for the assembly on their premises. We are right here at the premises where the rotor sail has been prepared for the installation, and we were very happy with the support by the experienced Polish shipbuilders. It's important to mention that the project has been funded also by the German government by a fund called NAMKUE. It's meant to support the environmental sustainable transition of maritime coastal shipping. So that's a special fund initiated by the German government. Norsepower has been established 2012. We have now roughly 100 employees, and we are a Finnish green tech engineering company, you can say. We have now developed the Norsepower Rotor Sail. Our manufacturing facilities are ready to be, let's say, on a serial production in industrial scale. We are one of the front runners. We are leading in the field of wind propulsion by numbers of installations, but also by the availability of deliver up to 50 units from our Chinese factory next year. So we are leading this technology. There are other areas in green transition like alternative fuels and e-fuels, and you call them, but this technology of wind propulsion is already available today.